stayed within my budget. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ciara. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video, I'm heading over to Kroger. I am going to do a quick grocery haul to just top me off for the last week of the month. And so I'm going in here on a budget. I'm going in here on about $120. Normally I do like a big grocery haul, but due to the fact that we have went on vacation, I got stuff for vacation mostly. So I am heading over to Kroger, like I said, on a budget of $120. And I'm gonna try to get some meals because we have plenty of snacks still left over from vacation. But I'm gonna try to get some meals that are gonna last me for a good while. I will go grocery shopping again before I go back to work on the 15th because I will need stuff for lunch then, because there's no way I'm gonna be able to leave out and grab food. So join us when we go in Kroger. I will do a walkthrough of some of the prices, and then I also will show you guys how much I spent and what I got. Alright, so I think I got under 120. Hope I did. We'll see when we get up to the self-checkout.
Thank you. 107.35.
Okay, so I did stay under my $120 budget that I went in there with. I think that with me not spending my full 120, I don't even know. See, I have plenty of toilet paper at home. I just decided to get the toilet paper while it was $3.99, but I ended up only paying like $2.50. So I think that there was maybe a glitch or something in the system that came about. All right, so I ended up getting the pot-sized thin spaghetti noodles. I also ended up getting these 12-count double roll Scott toilet paper. That was only $3.99. I did end up getting some honey graham crackers, as we can make s'mores soon. Evaporated milk, which was $1.50. I did get vegetable oil, as well as the pastaroni angel hair pasta with herbs, which is one of our favorites. Some orange juice, original. Bacon was on sale this week for $3.99 using the e-coupon. And then English muffins, but I did not get the heavy whipping cream. In order to make my own butter to put on there, I did grab a lemon. I did grab some ready whipped almond milk. I grabbed some shredded lettuce for us to make tacos. And then I got 2 big tomatoes. flavored ramen noodles, as well as the soy pack of ramen noodles. These ones, Skylikes, I like the red ones. Let's see, we got some strawberry fruit and grain cereal bars. And then I got some taco seasoning. I did go ahead and get the big bag, family size bag of tilapia. This is what will be for dinner one day this week. Went ahead and grabbed the big bag of fish sticks. This big bag was $7.99. The big bag of tilapia was $10. So these can be for lunch, can be for dinner within the next couple of times. I went ahead and picked up a yogurt. This is a toasted marshmallow Greek yogurt. This is what Cam had got. I guess he'll have this for today for lunch. This is a pizza and treatza Lunchable where it has little chocolate chips on it. This was only $1, so I went ahead and picked this up for Sky. Normally these are $3 something. Of course, it's not telling me on here. It used to tell me on the bottom, but anyways, it comes with cheese, some like little mini goldfish, and some peeled apples. Went ahead and picked up that batter with cheddar, Johnsonville smoked sausages. I did also tell Sky to get herself a Lunchable for today, as I'm not going to cook lunch. Texas toast garlic, and then Cam got a mocha cappuccino drink. These were at a really good price. I did grab 2 of these, but there's only one right here. I just needed a hamburger roll for spaghetti, and then I bought one for the tacos as well. So these were 2 for $4. I did end up getting the Minute Maid Zero Sugar, as well as a Minute Maid Zero Sugar Mango Passion. I really want to try this one. I got some spaghetti sauce. So I like to get the chunky tomato, garlic, and onion sauce. And then I got some tortillas. So I got the flour tortillas for our tacos. And this is, I think, 10 in here. And we normally have a few left over. So that'll be good. Alright, so I did go ahead and pick up the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Complete Cinnabus Pancake Mix. Looks like you just have to add milk or water. It includes the pancake mix, the Cinnabus, and the cereal topping. So this should be great. I also, like I said, got the other hamburger pack just because. Like I said, one for tacos, and the other one would be for the spaghetti. Alright, so back here I got some French toast sticks. I did have an e-coupon for these. I think it was like save 35 cents or 50 cents off of these, and I can't remember exactly how much this was, but this is really great because the kids need a different variety of things to eat for breakfast. I also got Deer Park water. These were $3.99 with the e-coupon, and I did grab a bag of ice. This was $2.50. So yeah, I also got a thing of bread and hot dog buns. So for the brats or the smoked sausage, I have hot dog buns, and then I ended up getting a thing of regular bread for us to do French toast, make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, ham sandwiches, you name it. So thanks guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and